Now today I'm gonna talk about something important that you don't know. And my friends, most of you are facing some sort of problem, and due to that reason, you are just messing with English speaking. So all the problem will be solved today. So you need to watch this video till the very end because there are a bunch of reasons why you're not able to speak English fluently. So you're gonna have to keep the fact while what will be talked about entire video. So all the thing I'm gonna have to talk about all of those things. You need to keep watching this video till the very end. So this video is kind of very important, and for the most of people who are just starting their journey of speaking English and who are not aware of the fact that what are all the important elements which is kind of essential to speak English fluently. So we will talk about all of those things which is kind of necessary for us and to be able to speak English fluently. And there are a bunch of reasons why we are facing kind of problem, why are we not aware of the thing that we are making mistake every single day. So we're gonna have to be aware of about what are all the things that we are doing, what are all the things that we are screwing up, we are not doing the thing in the right direction. So if we will realize all of those things are gonna be easy, we'll start making progress, and then we'll have a totally a choice that whether or not we're gonna do it. And if we really want to learn, if we really want to speak this language, it will be very easy for us to scale from that level. If you are at a bottom, then it is not going to take that much time to go at the top. So it's my promise to you, if you will watch this video till the very end, the content, the benefit that you're gonna get from this video will be life changeable in your English speaking journey. So you need to watch the video till the very end because I'm gonna talk about all of the things which will be very important factor in your journey of speaking English. So let's get started. The first thing, and it is one of the best things that you're gonna have to start doing from now, is that you're gonna have to seek help. Yes, my friend. Initially when you are starting the journey of speaking English, you are thinking, oh my God, what are all the people are gonna say if I'll start asking for help? So I mean, you are thinking in that way, and this way is not gonna help you in any way. You're gonna have to put this sort of mentality away from you, because you're gonna have to put aside this sort of mentality. It's not gonna help you in any way. So don't think in that particular way, because when you are seeking help from other people, they're always ready to help you. And this kind of mentality that you are having inside of your mind, that no, people are gonna judge me, what are they gonna think about me? They will never thinking about the betterment of mind speaking English. So it's not gonna help, my friend. You're gonna have to seek help. Those people are definitely gonna help you. They are not the way you are thinking they are. So you're gonna have to change your mentality. You're gonna always have to seek help. They are always there to help you. So you are going to be that person by asking help that you have never thought to be. So of course you're gonna ask help from now, and the more help you're gonna seek, the better opportunity you're gonna get for yourself, and the more result, the more door of success will be opened to you. So you keep this thing in mind. The second thing that you're gonna have to start doing, that you are just only thinking that one day I'll be speaking English fluently, but that day is never gonna come. Yeah. So I don't want to just make you feel bad, because if you're not my friend, speaking English every single day, then how are you supposed to be making progress? So it's not gonna happen. You are gonna have to speak English every single day. You're gonna have to do it, and if you are doing it kind of every single day, then you're gonna feel over a period of time, yes, you're getting kind of confident, you are being more comfortable with talking to other people, and all the other stuff will be start getting better and will be so easier for you than ever before. So you're gonna have to speak English every single day, and there's no any other way around that I am having to tell you. The more you're gonna speak, the better results you're gonna get for yourself, and the sooner you'll be able to speak English fluently. It doesn't matter where you are and to in front of whom are you talking. The only thing which do matter, that you will be so confident, there will be no hesitation while you are talking in front of people. And it doesn't matter then how big audience is standing in front of you. That thing will not matter. The third thing which you're gonna have to do is that you're gonna have to read book every single day. And I can't emphasize this point more, because I know the beauty of this point. If you my friend, when you are reading book every single day, then you're getting a lot of structure, you're getting a lot of expression, you're getting a lot of phrasal verb that you haven't even heard of and you haven't even seen so far. So until you know those sort of stuff which is going to be very helpful in your journey of speaking English, how are you supposed to make progress? Not gonna happen. So for that thing, you're gonna have to read book every single day, and you're gonna start with half an hour a day, and the more time limit you're gonna increase in your schedule to read book, the better result you're gonna get. The more the better. So you're gonna have to you're gonna have to read book every single day. The more the better. So you're gonna have to read book. It's the kind of strong point. You don't have to tolerate it. And the fourth point, which is also gonna be very important, that the thing that you are learning from reading book and from watching podcast and from wherever you are getting those sort of things, you are gonna have to use that thing. Until you use that, you tend to forget and you will not be able to remember that it. So remember this fact that you're gonna have to choose whatever you're learning from. It doesn't matter from wherever you're learning. So the only thing which do matter that you're gonna have to use at any cost. My friend, you don't have to feel shy. Of course, initially you're gonna feel shy, but if you wanna be a legend, if you wanna be legend in this particular language, like me, then you're gonna have to use whatever you're learning every single day. You don't have to feel shy. If there is anybody who's feeling shy learning this language, don't care. Don't think about the person that much, because that it is not gonna help you achieve that goal of yours. So don't think you're gonna have to be a leader, you're gonna have to be a legend in this particular language like me. You're gonna have to talk silently. This is the way you're supposed to do. Then you're gonna supposed to have those sort of mentality, and if you are willing to do where you were if you are keeping this mentality positive, and you are just totally then you are totally bound to go to there to have that level of speaking English. So you're gonna have to use English every single day, and all of the things that I have talked about so far will be beyond helpful if you are following all the points that I have made so far. So you're gonna have to follow all the points, do all the things that I have told you to do, and you are sure to win in this particular race of speaking English. So do all the things, and if you have any sort of question, let me know in the comment below. I'm always ready to make you feel better in speaking English, and I can bet, my friend, the thing that I have told to you so far will be beyond helpful if you're using all the points in the right direction. So if you wanna know any sort of, or if you wanna have any sort of help from me, just let me know in the comment below. I'll always be ready to answer all the questions of yours. So let me know in the comment below. And till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.